with me using the March monthly fix planner and the Get Carried Away sticker kit that just got released in my shop. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. I thought this would be a really fun kit since it's kind of bright colors and it's been getting warmer here. And I've been so excited for it to be like spring. So I wanted to use the bright colors in these kits today. So the first thing I wanted to do, because I felt like the green of the headers in this kit didn't really match with the color theme, I'm bringing over these little bright pink headers instead. And then I'm going to place them just over the top. I'm not really lining them up quite yet. I'm just kind of putting them down. And then once I've got those down, I'm going to kind of cover up these one thing boxes as well. Again, because it has that kind of green color that I don't want. And I think it kind of adds to the look of the kit. So I'm just using one of the extra large boxes and sizing it down. And then I'm going to just copy and paste that over to cover up all those boxes. And then I'll go back in and just kind of finesse the placement as I go through. And then I'm also going to bring over the 9 full boxes. I'm not going to use all 9, I'm only going to use 5, but I just resize them all together and kind of place them just in the like day that I want them, because I use one for each day, Monday through Friday, and then I don't use any for Saturday and Sunday since they're smaller boxes. And then I've placed down a little sticker for my preschool pickup and drop off reminder, and then underneath that, the only thing I really have going on Monday other than like work stuff is that I need to like clean up the house. So I'm using this big box to mark that, and I'm going to bring over one of the chore inky bears. There's this really cute one with an apron that I wanted that has like a mop. It took me a little bit to find it. Because I couldn't remember which one of the chore kits it's in. You'd think since the Inky Bears are my stickers, I would have them like organized in a sticker book, but because I'm always so far behind on everything, I don't, so I have to go find them every time. Anyways, and then I'm using the I Will Succeed sticker kind of as a header to mark my to-dos, and I wanted to do something kind of different this time, and instead of using like the bow checklist that I normally use, I'm using these little circles to create my checklist. So I'm just lining them up. I have 5 to-dos that day, so I'm lining them up to make sure they're kind of like straight and spaced out as evenly as I could get them, and then I'm going to resize them all together to kind of fill in that area. I also use the little quote sticker at the bottom to just kind of fill in the space, and I think the quote stickers are super cute. So and then I really love using the combination of these 2 fonts when I plan. So I'm just kind of pulling them over to mark my one thing box. And then I'm going to add in the text for just Monday really quick. I'm not going to have you watch me do all of the text on this spread because the text is what takes me the longest and it's really monotonous, so I just did a couple of the boxes so you can kind of see how I do it. But yeah, I layer these 2 fonts together pretty much everywhere. So then moving on to Tuesday, I have my daughter's dance in the morning, and then I just have a bunch of to-dos again, and I'm kind of breaking them up. So I'm going to put another checklist in underneath the Get It Done sticker with those little circle dots, and then I'm at the bottom going to use like a different checklist to mark the social media posts I need to do on Tuesday, because there's quite a few that I was planning on. And then I also need to go get groceries this day, so I just added in this little box to do that. I had a little extra space underneath my checklist, so I'm adding one of these little bow border stickers that I have from one of my foiled functional kits. And then I'm going to quickly add in the text for this day as well. And then moving on to Wednesday, in the morning before my kids' preschool, and one of our neighbor boys is going to come over and do a play date with my son. And so I'm just marking that he's coming over so I don't forget. And then I need to go take my kids to preschool after that. And then I'm going to go on a hike with my sister-in-law in the afternoon. And then the only other thing I'm going to add to this day is just like my general work to-dos. I have like a list of things every day that I have to do to run my business. They're small things, but it's like difficult to keep track of, so I use these big lists to keep track of it. And then now I'm going to go ahead and write in my one thing for Monday and Tuesday. And I just do, like with my text, I do a lot of copy and paste because I hate resizing things. I hate resizing text, so I just copy and paste it so it's all the same size. And then Thursday, my main thing that I have to do is get ready for book club because I am hosting book club this month. So I have to spend most of Thursday morning getting ready for that. And then we're going camping right after. So I put this big banner across to mark that we're going camping, and then brought over this little box to mark book club, and then a checklist for the few things that I have to get done that day, like packing. And then at the very bottom, I put in this box to actually mark that we're going camping. So I'm so excited that it's finally warm enough to actually go camping. Like, I cannot wait. And then, so Friday, because we're going to be camping, I really didn't know what to put here. So I'm using this box to mark that we're going to go on a UTV ride that day. And then I have a couple of to-dos that I'm going to do, like just some social media posts that I want to post on Friday. Hopefully I have service to post them. I guess we will see. And then I had a little extra space, so I just copied that bow order over again. And then on Saturday, I just used this little scalloped circle to mark family time because that's really all I'm going to be doing is spending time with my family. And then on Sunday, I have my art assignments due, so we'll come home, Sunday afternoon, and then I will work on my homework for my art class. So I'm going to quickly just fill in the text off camera, and then you guys can kind of see how I finish this up. Okay, so now I've got pretty much all the text put in, so I'm going to just kind of finish up the entire spread with some deco. So I'm just pulling over from the back 2 pages, that's where all the deco is on my kits. Just pulling over a bunch of flowers and kind of filling in any white space or empty space that I see. So that's it, guys. This is the final spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it inspiring or useful. And I will leave links for the sticker kit that I use down below. If you guys have questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm always here to help. And thank you for watching.